Never before have we experienced writing an introduction as difficult as this one. Frankly, there is nothing quite like Universal Studios Singapore. A tiny theme park that is the only one of its kind not owned by Universal, nestled into the heart of a casino resort island that managed to defy expectation. Opening in March of 2010, Universal Studios Singapore is one of the newest Universal parks, but also one of the strangest. An amalgamation of the best attractions that Universal has to offer, where there is no Harry Potter, Jurassic Park is a river rapids, City Walk is nowhere to be found, and neither is a Universal resort. That's because the park is a first-of-its-kind attraction as part of the larger resort world Sentosa. Family rides, 7 out of 10. Universal Studios Singapore is a small park with not too many attractions. You can essentially see everything the park has to offer when walking around its central lake. In saying this, what it lacks in scale makes up for in scope. Let's explore this lineup starting with Far, Far Away. This Shrek-themed land is home to 2 family-friendly coasters. The relatively bog-standard Enchanted Airways kiddie coaster and the standout Puss in Boots' Giant Journey. This unique suspended ride bridges the gap between dark ride and coaster, featuring a unique vertical lift hill and a number of fun, character-driven scenes. Though you might be wondering, what is inside that impressive castle facade? Surely for something so breathtaking, it has to feature some sort of world-class attraction. Well, inside is none other than Shrek 4D. Yep. Scattered throughout the park are some classic family-friendly attractions such as Dinosaur and over in Jurassic Park.
Your boat will proceed back to the unload area immediately.
Thankfully, Revenge of the Mummy here might just be the best version of a mummy coaster anywhere in the world. Taking the track layout of the Orlando version and expanding on the attraction with an original story that makes more sense than the confusing Orlando storyline with Brendan Fraser not getting his cup of coffee. And don't worry, you're not going to miss this attraction, with one of the most impressive and imposing facades which instantly lets you know you're in for a treat. Revenge of the Mummy was the standout overall thrill at Universal Studios Singapore. Now, onto Waterworld, which is easily one of the best theme park shows in the world. Even before the show begins, you'll be having a blast as the performers roast and soak the crowds in the wet sections. And speaking of, if you sit in the wet sections, you will get wet. Waterworld is a highlight for Universal Studios Singapore and a must-do on every visit. The busiest attraction in the park that demanded the longest waits was Transformers the Ride, the ultimate 3D battle. If you've ridden it elsewhere in the world, this ride won't be a surprise to you at all. It's identical to the other versions, even though this was the original installation of the ride. But if you haven't experienced this ride before, you're in for a great time, as you join the Transformers on a battle to protect the Allspark from the Decepticons. And who knows, you may even become a freedom fighter.
All right, recruits. Ready or not, it's mission time. Glad I got company. Now, put on your glasses. You guys are my navigators, so if anyone sees trouble... Uh-oh, that's trouble, all right. Help me find a way out of here. Wrong way. We're trapped. Your planet belongs to me. Take cover! Look, escape route. Wait, something's wrong. There. Where's Vortex? We need cover. Hold on. Sideswipe. Rookie, they trusted you with this mission. You got it wrong, Crush. My guns, team. It's him again. Activate battleships. We're hit. Hold on. Everybody okay? Gotta find a way down. Optimus! Cowards run, heroes fight. Your war is with me. Optimus! Protect the Allspark. Just dropping in. We're on our own. What do we do? Beg for mercy. We're running, recruits. He wants the Allspark? He can have it. Oh no! Evac, report in. Your bravery saved the planet. Well done, freedom fighters.
This is a Universal Studios park. We pretty much knew exactly what merchandise would be on offer here before we even stepped foot inside. They offer a ton of both character and branded merch. Singapore is gearing up heavily for Minions. They are not shying away from the fact that yes, there is a Minions ride coming, and yes, it's coming soon. They've even gone the extra mile to ensure that there is an entire shop, almost the same scale of the park's main store, entirely dedicated to Minions. The brand isn't really our thing, but the store was always jam-packed. Affordability, 9 out of 10. The Universal staple for atmosphere is a Hollywood vibe with blaring pop music.